jam, I guess. All right. Anyways, so yeah, a little bit of little jam there. I was talking to somebody online about speed, and and you gotta make sure speed is cool, but you have to have phrasing, some kind of phrasing. You know, you have those 10,000 players out there that they're playing through. It's supposed to be a solo, but it just sounds like scale exercises. There's no real melody or anything in there, and if you there is melody, then it's like it sounds like two completely different pieces. Like, here's my speed section, here's my little melody section, and then it's like just like as if you don't work on a song, that transition kind of like sounds a little, know. There's some that are like that. That yeah, it just goes to the next little section, and yeah, it just doesn't sound great. You know, it sounds like a lot of it sounds like scale exercises. Um, you listen to people like Satriani, Vi, and even Malmsteen, who's like always just flying all over the neck. They're playing around with that. They're using speed, or hyper speed, Malmsteen's case. Um, but there's phrasing there. What they're playing makes sense. It's not just speed for the sake of speed. And and I always mention this. The most perfect example of how to use it is Randy Rhoads. He would have like melodies and everything, and then and then the speed would be purposeful. It'd be like to build up excitement, and then maybe he'll back off again and build up excitement again, or it'll just be a slow build up to like just going crazy, and and yeah, there's a purpose for that speed. There's just too many players out there that I get it. Spend all that time practicing all those scales, get that speed up, and then after a while, what do you do? How do you? It's hard to stop that. It's like you put all that work into it. You want to keep working faster and faster. There's a certain point where it's like, all right, I got this technical part down. Now let me bring those little melodies in, and let's bring it all together so it sounds really like everything is a composition, or if you're improvising, it just makes sense. It just makes musical sense. So basically what I do mostly is I'll use something quick if I'm trying to get to like another area. Say say I'm over here in the A, I mean on the E, and then I want to throw something quick in there. That's well, um that's another E right there. So I kind of use it to get to that other area. Here's another E here. There's a E there. there's not an E, but it's a chord tone of the E. And then I might do, say, hang on there. I might do a run to come over here. But then, then I'm over here. I'm not going to just continue going, No, I kind of did a little, I don't really know what I did, but, whoops. I better stop for my... but anyways, that's the idea. Yeah, a little messy at the end. Yeah, I'll be honest, I haven't been practicing too much lately. I've been focused on some of my business stuff. But anyways, you get the idea. It's just to get in that area, and for me, anyways, it's to have a nice melody line, and then it's either, all right, I want to get over, I'm tired of being here, I want to get to another area, and I know where that, where the root note of whatever it is, it doesn't have to be the root note. I know where the third and the fifth tones are within a one particular scale, so I kind of target those in another part of the neck. But then, I'll have a run that will lead me right there. So I'm going to know that I'm going to hit that target, and then I can continue the melody, either repeating it or coming up with something that would kind of, connect somehow with the other melody that I did. Or I would just be playing slow, and then I know I'm going to be ending it, and I just start, I might build speed. Anyways, that's how I do it. It's good to practice your scales and everything, and I used to do that and spend hours on all that stuff, but after a while I got tired of it. I wanted to make some music, so I got enough speed that I was happy with, and then I was like, all right, I'm focusing more on melodies and stuff. And actually, I damaged my ring finger anyways, so the old bending finger. So I actually slack off a bit on the lead practice because of that. But anyways, enough of me making excuses. So a little something just for you to think about. All right, have fun with that. Again, try to focus on melodies, and then figure out some really cool run to get to one area to another. And then when you're in that area, you can play a melody again, and then maybe you're going to do another run, either down or up, to another area. Well, you'll play around in there, make it sound cool, and and so on. Don't just blow through scales all the time through a solo. It has to connect with what's underneath it. So, all right, that's it. Any questions? Let me know. We'll see you in the next one.